We will very quickly go over the command forms of verbs under the imperative mood in French. The imperative mood in French only applies to tu, nous, and vous, and nearly all French commands are equivalent to their respective present tense forms. Now, for tu commands, they will remove the s from verbs if their present tense tu conjugation ends in es. For example, the verbs parler and ouvrir. They are conjugated as parle and ouvre in the present tense tu form, and ouvrir is an irregular verb. Their imperative tu command forms become parle and ouvre once we remove the s. So these are the command forms of the verbs parler, choisir, and vendre. So notice that all of their command forms are identical to their present tense forms, with the exception of the tu command for parler, in which we remove the s. And that pretty much covers the imperative mood in French. As I said, nearly all French verbs use their respective present tense forms for their commands under the imperative mood as well, with there being a slight difference for the tu command forms that end in es. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.